हेलो दोस्तों, प्लीज मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of birds of different kinds: parrots, sparrows, minahs, and among them, a pure white pigeon named Saft. Saft was known for his kindness and wisdom. He always helped others and believed in living for the good of all. One day, as the sun was setting, a fierce storm swept through the forest. The winds roared, trees swayed dangerously, and heavy rain began to pour. The birds flopped their wings in panic, searching for shelter. Saft, knowing a hidden cave in the mountains, called out to his fellow birds and led them there. The cave was warm and dry, but the storm raged on for hours. The birds huddled together, cold and hungry. "We must find food, or we won't survive the night," said an old sparrow, shivering. Saft, being brave and selfless, decided to fly out despite the storm. Battling the harsh winds, he searched for food. He finally found some grains near a human settlement, but as he was about to return, a net dropped over him. A hunter had set a trap. "Aha, a fine pigeon. You'll fetch me a good price in the market," the hunter laughed. Saft struggled, but could not escape. The other birds in the cave grew worried as time passed. "Where is Saft? He should have been back by now," chirped a minah. Meanwhile, a small squirrel who was friends with Saft saw him trapped and rushed to inform the other birds. "Saft is in danger. A hunter has caught him," the squirrel cried. The birds knew they had to save their friend. The parrots, sparrows, and minahs came together, and they devised a plan. As soon as the hunter dozed off under a tree, the birds swooped down, pecking and flapping their wings around him. Surprised and scared, the hunter waved his arms to shoo them away. But just as he did, the squirrel gnawed through the net, setting Saft free. Saft quickly flew back to the cave with the other birds. Everyone cheered for his bravery and sacrifice. Though tired and weak, Saft was happy that he could help his friends. The next morning, the storm had passed and the sun shone brightly. The birds had learned a valuable lesson that unity, kindness, and selflessness make them stronger together. Moral of the story: true friendship is about sacrifice, unity, and helping others in times of need. When we stand together, no challenge is too big to overcome. हेलो दोस्तों, प्लीज मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें।